coming idea সেটা অবশ্যই দেখার জন্য এবং if I need something or buying from here. তো চলুন আমরা ভিতরে যাই and let's explore what's the home organizing new here and what I need from here. সঙ্গে সঙ্গে যেটা পেলাম যে একটা সুইডিশ ব্রেড সুইডিশ ব্রেডের ভিতরে দেখা পাচ্ছি আমরা যেমন এখানে আছে সেভেন স্টার ল্যান্ড চিপস পপিটা তো কয়েকটি ভ্যারিয়েন্ট এখানে আছে $1.79 রোজমেরি সেটা হচ্ছে কুকিজ উইথ রাসবেরি Swedish for sugar. It's a sugar actually. That is Landura, blend of juices, fruits, and vegetable puree. Excellent. And it costs, I think,
$2.49.
No, $3.99.
Oh, this one is $2.49.
That was $3.49, but this is Landura. Green and vitamin C is $3.99. And here. Sparkling drink that's $5.49. Dried bubble apple and lemon. Coffee beans. এক্সপ্লোরিংগুলোকে আপনার যে ড্রয়ার থাকবে সেই ড্রয়ারে আপনি কীভাবে আসলে প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারবেন সেট করতে পারবেন সেটার জন্য এটি হচ্ছে ট্রে এবং এটার দাম হচ্ছে $19.99. Basket একটি ঝুড়ি help your produce stay fresh and it will cost $14.99. এই হচ্ছে তার স্যাম্পল এখানে অনেক ধরনেরই আছে ছোটও আছে বড়ও আছে একটা ইন্টারেস্টিং জিনিস দেখাই এগুলো হচ্ছে সব সিলিকন ব্যাগ এই সিলিকন ব্যাগের তিনটা ব্যাগের দাম হচ্ছে $19.99 and the most interesting part is এর ভিতরে অনেকগুলো সিলিকন ব্যাগ আছে এবং এটা দিয়ে আপনি খাবারও রান্না করতে পারবেন And I was really surprised when I found that if you put so many things in these bags and put it in the oven, you can make even cake. You know, Ikea is huge, so it is not possible to cover all the stuff in one single video. That's why I'm going to the specific areas to which I want and I think you're gonna love it. So this is the bottle and the bottle is here and this is $2.99 each bottle. You can use this bottle for any purpose like the water, like the juice or any purpose. Upon you try for it. This is a battery charger. It's a battery dile it's a charge. It's a very interesting hand because this side is holding the sponge. The sponge, it is used for the dishwashing and it's really good things. It is a kind of the decorative items on your kitchen top. So follow me here. You will notice the colors. Look at the vast colors. So beautiful and not only beautiful, the shape is very $12.99. Small one is $4.99. So pretty and different kinds of the shape. I like this one. This is $12.99. Look at this one. There is maroon, orange. If you're a basket lover, this item is for you. Look at the basket designs. I'm really lost. Beautiful. এখন আমি আসছি আসলে ল্যাম্পের সেকশনে এই ল্যাম্পের রিয়েলি look at this so pretty and it is $34.99 excellent isn't it so এটা হচ্ছে আর্টিফিশিয়াল যে প্ল্যান্ট আছে সেই প্ল্যান্টের এক্সটার্নাল পট আর্টিফিশিয়াল প্ল্যান্টের জায়গা এবং এখানে দামগুলো সামটাইমস মনে হবে একটু বেশি, আবার কিছু কিছু জিনিস আবার মনে হবে ইকোনমিক্যাল। অনেক ধরনের প্ল্যান্টের অপশন এখানে আছে। তো এই ধরনের প্ল্যান্টও রাখতে পারবেন। এটা মনে হচ্ছে দেখে মনে হচ্ছে বেসিল, এটা 499 আমি দেখলাম। তারপরে এই প্ল্যান্টটাও বেশ সুন্দর, এটা দাম হচ্ছে, এটা নিউ, এখন দামটা আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। সো আর্টিফিশিয়াল পটেড প্ল্যান্ট হচ্ছে 999 অল, যা দেখা really pretty. And this is $1.99. It's not that much of expensive. I told you $1.99. Small. This artificial bamboo plant is really fantastic, and it is $89.99. It's a lantern, but this lantern inside you can put a candle, and it will cost you $9.99, which is very pretty. Look at the two different things, two different colors. And you candle lover, I would suggest though it's $29.99, which is really pretty. This one. This is a new snacks box. You see that? So cute and so sleek. I like it. Ta-da! I was planning to buy these things for my daughter for her new school year. So this kind of storage box is very much good for especially the raw items like the raw beef, the raw chicken, and the raw fish. So you can put it here after cleaning, and then you can wrap it out, and it will really will be non-frozen, and it will be very much helpful for your meals. And it is right now is $14.99.
So finally, these are the items I purchased from Ikea today. So like these containers, I got sale. These containers each $3.99, two different sizes I pick, and chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate hazelnut. Along with this, I also purchased this very cute snacks box for my daughter, and this glass cup was each 99 cents. I purchased 4 of like this, and candle, this is 49 cents. I purchased it for my kitchen. It's beautiful, and my daughter, she really like these candles. These candles each were 99 cents. It's a couple of the flavor. I think she put up the label by this time, and it is very amazing cookie cut Halloween, and I like it. There are 3 shapes. One is the ghost, one is the cat, and one is pumpkin. And she needs also some scissors for her school year. So this scissor, this pear scissor, cost $4.99. And finally, for my laundry, I purchased a laundry. This is the kind of laundry bag, but this is, I didn't open it yet. This is laundry bag stand with laundry bag. So finally, these are the items I purchased from. Cost me around $27.50. So it's really a good deal, and these are the items I really required for my households. So I think still you can go ahead, but you have to give more time to find out the items which is budget friendly. So this was my vlog today. This is the video today. If you really like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and try to subscribe my channel, because your subscription is really valuable to my very small channel. I hope that you will enjoy this channel, and I will come up with more exciting videos and the contents in future. Till then, bye, take care, and stay with Live with Shams Zareen. Bye.